How to fix IDM in Chrome. Guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your IDM in your Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is check for your IDM's extension. So for that, we'll tap on this icon right here of the extensions and head over to Manage Extensions. Now right around here, you should see IDM integration model. Make sure that you've turned this on. After you've turned this on, what you can do is you can simply try to turn this off and turn this back on again and try to use your IDM integration module. So after you've done that, if your IDM still does not work, what we'll do is we'll check for your updates of the Google Chrome. Now, if your Google Chrome is outdated, that might be the reason why your IDM's not working. So tap on these three dots on the top right, head over to the help section, tap on about Google Chrome. So tap on that and right here you will see Google Chrome's update. So if you see an update is available, make sure that you update your Google Chrome. After you've done that, you're basically good to go. So this should fix your issue, guys, but if it does not fix your issue, what you can do is you can update your IDM too. So for that, simply open up your IDM. After you open up your IDM, what you'll need to do is head over to help, and under here help you should see an option called let me check that out again. So after you're on the help section, simply head over to an option called check for updates, and after it's done checking for the updates, make sure that it's updated to the latest version, and with that your problem should get fixed. Now, if that does not work, what you can do is simply try to turn off every other extensions on your Google Chrome and then use your IDM. So by doing that, your IDM should work just fine, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.